Hey, 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 how are you? Hi, happy Friday! Yay, Friday! My name is Martha Borrell, for those of you who are new to me, and I just want to take a minute to say hello and almost May. That is crazy. I cannot believe it. Today, I want to talk about sugar because I am a former sugar addict. I was a crazy person. Like, I would literally eat cookies. Um, instead of dinner. I know, that's kind of nuts. But anyway, I did that, and maybe some of you can relate to that. So, those of you who have known me for a long time and know about my sugar addiction, put a thumbs up in the comments if you can remember those days when I would literally eat a box of Loft House cookies. Anyway, that being said, a few years ago, I actually did a sugar detox and I totally eliminated those cravings. I changed my taste buds and I don't have to eat sugar like I used to. I literally used to eat it every single day. I would get those ups and downs, and 3 o'clock would come around, and I'd be like, I need something sweet. Or after dinner, I would totally need that sweet after the savory meal. Maybe you can relate to that. Put a one in the comments if that's you. And after doing the detox, I totally feel so much better. I feel like I don't have those highs and lows. Sugar can actually impact you in so many ways. Sugar feeds the brain, so it tells the brain, hey, this feels really good. So I want more and more and more and more and more. And so it's like this endless, vicious cycle. Sugar also thrives with cancer cells. Cancer cells are like, ooh, I like this stuff. Give me more, give me more, give me more. So maybe that is something that's important to you. Or sugar actually can mess with your blood sugar, which gives you those highs and lows and makes you want to eat more and crave more sugar. So I cannot say I'm perfect by any means, but I have to admit my sugar cravings have gotten much, much better. I do love the occasional sweet treat, but I am not addicted like I used to be. And now I choose actually healthier options with protein in them so that I don't have those constant cravings. Protein actually helps curb those cravings and fiber too. So interesting. Today I'm actually going to share my very, very, very favorite protein snack with you. It is so delicious and it is a nice little sweet treat packed with protein and just really good for you. So stay tuned. I'm going to share that with you and I hope you enjoy. That recipe is actually gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, vegan. It is delicious and nutritious. And if you would like the recipe emailed to you or messaged to you, please put in the comments below recipe and I will throw it your way. I've had so many people ask me for this recipe over the years. Like I said, is my go-to and delicious. If any of you like Reese's cups, it is like comparable to a Reese's cup. So hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great day.